Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make this beautiful crochet flower keychain with a cute beaded charm. It's easy to make, beginner-friendly, and perfect for decorating your keys, handbags, or gifting to someone special. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's start crocheting. First, I started by making a small foundation ring instead of a magic ring. Then I worked single crochet stitches all around the ring until it was completely covered. After reaching the starting point, I joined it with a slip stitch. Now it's time to make the petals. I chain the required number of stitches and work double crochet stitches into the same space to build the first petal. Shaping it, I finished it with a slip stitch. I repeated the same steps for more times until I had 5 beautiful petals. Once all the petals were complete, I started making the raised chain detail. I attached the yarn near the center and made chains across each petal, securing them carefully. This simple detail gives the flower a more elegant and realistic look. After finishing all 5 petals, I adjusted them gently with my fingers so they opened nicely and formed a perfect flower shape. In the center of the flower. I have attached the keychain ring with the flower. Finally, I attached the beaded hanging charm beside the flower. This small addition gives the keychain a cute and stylish finish. Our crochet flower keychain is now complete. You can make it in different colors and even use it as a bag charm, keychain, or handmade gift. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss my future crochet tutorials. Let me know in the comments which color you'd like to make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy crocheting! Bye!